How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Looks good, don't it? Today's video is a real quick mod video, or possible mod video. What am I talking about? Stay tuned, we'll get right back to it. Mods come in all shapes, all sizes, prices. It runs the gamut. Some are free, some are thousands and thousands of dollars, okay? Now with that said, you can see the front end of mine. I did a mod to it, and I'll put the video link up there so you can watch it to see how easy it is. And that was taking the bow tie off of it, okay? A channel supporter, John Goodrow, sent me the bow tie delete. I like it. It makes it look clean, yes. But sometimes you just want a mod, and that's where you guys and gals come in. I always try to include you in on anything on this car whenever I can. You help me pick out the catch can out of some other options like the sequential turn signal and all that stuff. You guys chose the catch can, so I bought the catch can. Well, today is another one, but this one is a free mod, and the reason I say it's free, I was sent this for free. Thank you very much, John. I hope you still watch the videos. I don't think you do. I think you've kind of gotten off YouTube, but if you are, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. This is what used to be on it, okay? There you go. You can see how it looks. It actually goes like that. Adds a little bit of a different look to it, right? Well, here's the question I want to pose to you. Should I leave it like that? Should I put the gold bow tie back on it? Because it does make the front end look completely different. Some people love the bow ties, some people hate them. I'm one of the ones that like it. I like it without it, I like it with it. But another channel supporter, Paolo Behar, sent me one off of his car. He used to own a ZL1 Camaro. I would love to own a ZL1 Camaro, but I also love this car. But in the process, he removed his bow tie. And as you can see, it's got carbon fiber wrap on it, right? Or carbon fiber vinyl. As you can see, looks really good, right? What do you think? What you think? Nothing? Gold bow tie? Right? Or carbon fiber? And if we go with the carbon fiber, I'm going to order another piece of carbon fiber and do the back one also. So, whichever one we go with, alright? But I just wanted to pose that question to you, because like I said, this is a free mod, didn't cost me anything. And I wanted to include you in on it. Time to change the car. You know, you like to change your car every so often. I just like the rear spoiler. Yes, I put that big spoiler on there, but at any time, if I get tired of the way it looks, I can take that off, put the other one back on, order another one, whatever. And this is really cheap, in my case, free, okay? So what do you guys and gals prefer? Leave a comment down below. Yes, leave a comment down below by all means. This is how it looks without anything on it. I mean, like, it looks good. It really does. At one time, I was thinking about getting the SS emblem and putting in the middle. I still may do that later on, but them things are pricey, and I've got a lot of other stuff going on right now. So, what do you think? Nothing? Gold? Carbon fiber? Let me know. Until next video, we'll see you. Thanks for watching.